Kit, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, I'm going to ask you to do a little bit of Manesh's job and help us with some of the reporting in that what you have seen as a structural engineer, being there to do the job of figuring out how to deal with the structural issues from the first quake. What are you seeing as a result of this second quake?
Well, I think it's really shocking to everyone. And I was in earthquake, and it was around the maybe 3 p.m. or so, and the ground started shaking. And I was in the office, and well, being a structural earthquake engineer, I knew it was aftershock, and I just basically stayed still. But everybody ran out to the street and just sheer panic. And understandable. I mean, earthquake is something really scary that has no control over it. But it's definitely the aftershocks is something expected. We may see even bigger one still.
So, Kit, are you seeing a lot of evidence in the street of what we can only assume is happening, and that is people are just running for their lives and afraid to be in any building anywhere at this point in this country because these aftershocks and these quakes are happening in a lot of places?
That is true. I was right after the earthquake. I was heading to the immigration office because I have to extend my visa. We're here to basically get support in the government and the private sector here for reconstruction. But obviously, immigration office is totally closed, and there's no damage. And I just went through the whole building and assessed the safety for the officers for them. And fortunately, they're able to open the office for me so I can get the extension of visa. But this is something that's really scary, because it has no control over it. But Kathmandu is actually very calm today, right now. But destruction is outside. It's just unbelievable amount of destruction out there. I know that thousands of schools collapsed, and many people are really exposed to the upcoming monsoon. And this is something that just one country alone cannot do that. Definitely need international support, as I see it.
And the kind of support that you're giving, having left America to go to help in this structural and then being there for this second quake.